Today I'm making high protein cashew cookies and I'm using a protein powder no one ever bakes with. I'm using casein instead of whey for a reason. Casein holds moisture better, it binds more water and keeps baked goods denser and soft. Whey tends to make cookies dry and chalky, but casein gives you that perfect bakery style texture. Start with 35 grams of oat flour, just fresh oats ground fine. To that I add 1 scoop of unflavored casein protein and half teaspoon of baking powder. Quick mix and that's our dry blend ready. In another bowl, add 40 grams of melted butter and 10 grams of stevia. Whisk together. Once that's smooth, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk again until it turns thick and creamy. Now fold the dry mix into the wet until it comes together into a rough dough. Then add 10 grams of chopped cashews for crunch and flavor. To bind it, I use around 40 ml of water, but slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, just until the dough forms. Now let the dough chill in fridge. Make sure you chill the dough for 15 minutes. When the butter solidifies again, it stops the cookies from overspreading. That gives you thicker, softer cookies with a better texture. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Once chilled, scoop 6 equal dough balls onto baking paper. Flatten them gently using another sheet and a bowl or spoon. Add a little pattern on the top if you want that bakery style finish. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, just until golden on the edges. Slightly crunchy and crisp outside and soft in the center. After this bite, I'm officially done baking with whey. Each cookie has 5.6 grams of protein and you can eat the entire batch and still lose fat. It's under 600 calories. I post easy high protein recipes every week. Make sure to hit subscribe and join the group.